Hello and welcome to Liferay.com. In my previous tutorial, I have told you how the life cycle of a portrait is being working, what is the flow of control, how we can make the changes in a portrait, and then we can render back them to the JSPs, how various JSPs are being called. I have told you all of these stuff. If you have noticed, every time I was making any change in my source code, whether it was a Java class file, or whether it was a JSP, or whether it was an XML file, I need to do run as and build, which was taking approximately 1 or 2 minutes every time I was building. This was the case when my portrait is having very little source code and everything over here is fresh, so it is taking 1 or 2 minutes. But as soon as your portrait will start building up, your source code will get heavier, so it will start taking multiple minutes, and maybe it may vary to 5 minutes also every time you are going to build data. So in order to remove that, there is a hot code replacement thing which is known as, which is being provided by Jrebel. Well, Jrebel is a plugin which help you out to make the changes in your code which are reflected back onto the portal side, on the front end side, as soon as you make the changes. There is no need to make the build using build.xml. So what you need to do is to install that. You just need to go to Eclipse Marketplace, and then you need to install this plugin. Actually, I'm having already this thing installed, so it is showing update and install. So as it will show you this install, just click over on this install button, and then it will get installed over here. So to activate this Jrebel thing, what you need to do is you just need to go to the my.jrebel.com. There are multiple plans available over there in their website. One is which is of pricing, which is $365 per year for a single developer. Another is social plan, in which you need to give the social site access to them. They will post on behalf of you. They will advertise their project, and then you just need to give them post right and all those stuff. And then you will get this key. You just need to copy it down over here, and then you need to go to Jrebel config center, and then you need to go activate update license, and then you just need to paste it over here, and then you can say apply. So what it will do is it will check it out the access right, whether you are having or not, and then it will start your plugin. So once your plugin is activated and installed, you just need to put up the check over here, in which you need to configure your tomcat, which tomcat you are going to use with Jrebel. Also, you need to specify whether this particular project you are going to use with Jrebel or not, and that's it. So now what this specifying does is it will create a rebel.xml file over here, which will contain some of the parts of your source code file in the classes folder, which will help you out to make and monitor the changes which are being generated by you, and then it will reflect back those into the server. So after we have activated this stuff, we just need to start the Tomcat and to make sure that Jrebel has been working fine and it has been installed on our machine correspondingly. So before starting of the Tomcat, these blocks will come, and it will show you how this to whom this product has been licensed, and then what are the things that it is going to monitor about it. So it will show you how many days you have redeployed it. So every time whenever you are logging into your Eclipse, so what you need to do is you need to go to activate over here. Every time you are not supposed to give it access to the internet. What you need to do is every 24 hours you need to reactivate your social plan, which is the standard that they have made. So once your server has been up, once your server gets started, so after that you just need to make the changes in the class file, and that will be all. That will get reflected by default over there. So now my server has been started, and what I need to do is now I need to run this end build command, so that this Jrebel.xml rebel.xml can go into the web apps folder. So this will be the last time that I will be building it. In some of the extreme cases, we need to rebuild those. For example, if you are using the service builder and then you are just creating the services, then you need to redeploy it. Else you just need not to redeploy it. I'll show you how this stuff will be working. So deployment will start in a few seconds. And see, if you see the logs, it is being saying that it is listening for these these XML files. It is listening for properties file. It is listening for web.xml files and all those. So here you can see that classes files are being also being listened. So whatever changes you are making in these class files or any of the files, then the changes will be reflected back. So once I come to this portal, so what it is happening is that I'll be having this sort of a screen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a change in my JSP. I'm gonna write Jrebel in action. So this must get reflected on my JSP without making any end-to-end command. See, this is the magic of Jrebel. So the same case follows for our controller also, which is our Java class file. So I'm gonna say this out action, and then I'm gonna just refresh this. Let's see. So there's no need to make any changes. There is no need to make to run this end build command again and again if you are using Jrebel. One more alternative for this Jrebel is over there, but to use it means it's inbuilt kind of thing which you need to publish, which is available with Tomcat. But that is not that is not so much reliable. Once your project gets heavier day by day, that workaround won't start working. So for that, what I need to do is I just need to remove this Jrebel nature from my Tomcat. So I'll go to Jrebel config center and I'll deploy this thing. Okay. So what I need to do is I just need to restart my server over here. So I'm gonna restart it. So it will get restarted. So once it is restarted, so here you go, my server has been restarted, and once my server has been restarted, I can see that see these logs, sample controller.review. So this server is unaware of about this stuff, that the changes which we have made in our JSPs, for example the JSPs over here and the class file over here. So it is not aware of these two stuff. So one thing what we need to do to make it reflected over there, what we need to do is we just need to drag this portlet and we need to put up into this server. So what it will do is it will again redeploy this stuff. So once this is redeployed, I'm just gonna give it a hit and see the changes are being reflected over there into the JSPs also. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again make a change in my JSP. I'm gonna put up Tomcat in action, Tomcat changes in action, and I'm gonna again refresh this stuff. See, Tomcat changes in action. Same case follows with the Java class file. I hope so. I haven't tried this, so I'm not sure about that. But let us try it. So let us say Tomcat changes in action. So there we go. And see, there is no change in the Java class file. This will be applicable for JSPs only. Hope you like this tutorial. Thanks a lot for joining. Bye bye.